Hey everyone, if Uizard AI is loading slowly, taking too long to open projects, or the editor feels unresponsive, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Uizard AI slow loading problems in 2026. First, check your internet connection. Since Uizard is a cloud-based design platform, a slow or unstable connection can significantly affect loading speeds, project syncing, and AI-generated features. Next, refresh the page and reopen your project. Temporary glitches can sometimes cause the editor to load more slowly than normal. Another common fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, outdated or corrupted browser data can interfere with web applications and reduce performance. You should also make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Updated browsers often include performance improvements and compatibility fixes that help cloud-based tools run more smoothly. If you have many browser tabs open, close the ones you don't need. Too many active tabs can consume memory and slow down Uizard's editor. Another helpful step is disabling ad blockers, VPNs, and privacy extensions temporarily. Some extensions can interfere with website scripts and affect loading times. If you're working on a large project with many screens, images, and components, keep in mind that larger projects may naturally require more time to load and process. And that's how to fix Uizard AI slow loading problems in 2026. In most cases, updating your browser, improving your connection, clearing cache, and reducing project complexity will improve performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.